What's the most obscure case you've worked on?
If we're gonna go like official, actual computer case and not like a cardboard box, some random stuff. Wait, there was the El Diablo, which if you want to Google an El
That
Diablo
stands-
computer case,
That's fighting chicken, right?
I don't know. I think it's the devil. It had the world's largest case fan. It had like a 200 and something millimeter case fan in the side.
Oh, good Lord.
That one was pretty crazy. There was another case that when you press the power button, it would sound like a Ferrari starting up. That was pretty cool. There's been a lot of weird ones out there.